Let's make Japanese-style potato salad. These are the ingredients you'll need: potatoes, an egg, a cucumber, some crab sticks. We'll also need some sesame oil, black pepper, and Kewpie mayo. First, let's boil our potatoes. I've quartered my peeled potatoes to help them cook faster. To the same pot, I'm adding a tablespoon of sugar as well. Now I'm just thinly slicing up the cucumbers. Now we're just going to add some salt to draw out the moisture. Make sure the cucumbers are evenly coated with salt, then set them aside. Now the pot of potatoes are boiling, so we'll be adding our egg into the water to cook for about 8 minutes. Once the egg is cooked, just take it out of the pot and drain the water. Bring the pot with the potatoes back to the stove. We're going to heat it up to remove the excess water. It won't take long, and once the water has all evaporated, we can turn the heat off. Let's turn our attention back to those cucumbers. Throw out all the cucumber water and give them a rinse to remove the salt. Now comes the fun part, mixing it all together. Throw the peeled egg into the pot and mash it up with the potatoes. It should be chunky in texture. Although I used only 1 egg today, you can add more if you'd like more protein. Drizzle in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and about 2 tablespoons of Kewpie mayo. Now mix everything well and add in the cucumbers. Mix to combine everything and adjust the seasoning accordingly. I've added another teaspoon of sesame oil and a tablespoon of Kewpie mayo along with some black pepper. Now add in the crab sticks, and I would really recommend getting the better quality ones if you can. Mix to combine for a final time and adjust the seasoning if needed. Once done, you should have something that looks like this. Your Japanese-style potato salad is pretty much ready to serve, but I personally recommend chilling it in the fridge for a while first because it tastes really good when it's cold. This potato salad honestly hit the spot, so I hope you'll give it a try too.